Metallframework SOLIDWORKS. The part document have a finishing sketch or 3D dimensional sketch. From the drop-down menu, Insert, go to Elements and activate the command Structural Member. In the dialog box, select Standard ANSI inch, Type and Size. In the model tree, select the sketch, select but or but 2, or and meter. Add new group directly on the field consistently indicate. And new and new. Give me a moment, I add all the member. And OK. By manipulation the setting to achieve the required configuration.